I've arrived in a place which is unknown. I don't know. I'm somewhere like in Cairo, but also not in Cairo because no tourists. No tourists come over here. So I'm very curious how people will respond to me. Look at these dogs. But like here in this place, which is unknown for me, I just like step out of the metro and I want to try out a very different region of Cairo. So I want to try out. But I noticed that people here are much taller than actually in downtown Cairo, which is of course crazy for me. Oh my, how will people respond to my camera? I don't know. This is like from the Syrian people who have established a place in this part of Cairo, which is amazing. They are very tall. Oh my, over here people are very tall. So far I don't really have like strange faces. Wow. Wow. I'm near a metro station, I guess. Let's imagine that this is unknown for tourists. I have not encountered one tourist so far, not even one bit. So I feel very special. Wow, my. But the dish look very good. It looks attractive. Oh my! What should I do? I have to say this, I like the vibe. I like the vibe a lot. Prada, Louis Vuitton, gold. But you know one thing, I'm very hungry. And for that reason, I will grab some food. What kind of food? I don't know, but it must be hot. Must be hot, very much. And yeah, what more? Maybe like chicken or meat. Soup, yes, I want soup. Soup a lot. I feel very safe. I'll go for the koshery, I think. Wow. I think koshery is good. I have ordered the most famous dish in Egypt. If you go to Egypt, you go for the koshery. It's like the different version of Italian pasta. This is the hot sauce. Oh my, it's very hot. Oh my. But I will try everything I can. I love it. It is hot. It's very hot. But the most important thing is I like koshery. Yes. I think this is maybe like the busiest place here in Helwan. One of the busiest places. Oh my, look at the buses. Buses, they go everywhere. Oh my. It's so amazing to see this like experience. Oh my. Discotheque. Nightclub. Wow. Very modern, as you can see. Very beautiful. It's even like in the English language. Wink, Xbox, they offer like clothes. Let me go over there. Let me go. This Wink over clothes, and there you have Xbox. They over clothes. Not only like a console, PlayStation or something like this, games. They even offer other stuff. Isn't this amazing, my friends? Oh my. Wow, a lot of glitter. But not really my style. Everything is in the English language. Egypt is very adopted to the universal language. Crazy, but I'm getting out of touch of the city. You even have KFC. KFC in this place. It should be boycotted. Almost, as you can see, no people. Because it's being boycotted by the Egyptian people. It is crazy, man. Oh, what should I do? So crazy, it's so busy. Bazooka, Saroof. I like this place. I like this place better than downtown Cairo. It's very modern, but it's not Cairo. This is like part of Cairo. Officially not, but unofficial, yes. But let me go back. I wanna go back. A lot of cars, a lot of traffic. Tuk-tuk, as they call it, like in Egypt. I don't know what to say. I have no words for this. So they don't show the street. Oh, it's so crazy, my friends. Oh my. For sure. There's one thing. I will visit this place a lot more time than only one time, because I am enjoying it too much, and therefore I cannot do it again. This is like a party for me without having a nightclub, a house, music, whatsoever. No, it doesn't matter. What you see is what you get. Because when you are, for example, in the Netherlands or somewhere else in Europe, it's not like this. You don't have to watch your eyes behind your back. No. Here in Egypt, it's a different story. It is a different story. Because you don't have like traffic rules, stopping lights. You don't have this. So therefore you have to use your eyes. This is like on a Monday, and like on this Monday it is madness. Imagine like on the 3 days of the week in Egypt, let's say Friday, Saturday, Thursday, it is another level. You have to see this through my own videos. I don't feel like I'm tall, like I'm 6'4", 6'4", but many people here are also very tall. I don't feel tall at all. You know, it's like I feel more tall when I walk in Amsterdam. It is a party over here. So busy. Oh my. What is this? Porno stars. When I walk over here, I do have like a mixed feeling. You have like it's modernity, and at the same time it's like the classic old period is mixing together, maybe even clashing, but somehow they can like coexist. People, Egyptian people, they can play very good football. You have Omar Marmoush, you have Mohamed Salah, Mohamed Al Nini, which will play for the World Cup, and they will, because they are qualified for the World Cup, and it's now they have the best team maybe ever from the whole football history. I don't know the name of it. Like one of the best is this place. I will zoom in. The nice thing is, I still have my phone, I have everything. It's super safe. I have everything. No one is like going after you, like India maybe even like in Europe, like in Barcelona and Amsterdam and in Stockholm. Nothing, because the sensitivity of the religion here is very strong, so people don't really have like the urge to take advantage. No, they want to work for the money. You have to understand this. I am like freestyling with my legs to avoid these obstacles at all times, because the Vodafone over here, Cotonel, very famous merchandise business. But yeah, I go to the right side. I've noticed that I've like visited the most busiest places, but it's also a very popular place to get your burgers. A very popular place. Maybe I want to go to Gala again, I don't know, but it's truly an amazing place. Very social people, very engaging people. What more can you ask about this? When people are shouting, it doesn't mean that they are like angry. You have to remember that. I like to emphasize this like in the Egyptian culture. You don't know unless you know, which like through knowledge. I see like a tourist. Some sugar drinks, soda. I don't know yet. I have yet to see.